Welcome back students, myself Kukreja Rahul. Today we have to learn about the standard 9 mathematics. Okay, so as per the previous session we have already seen the exercise 9.1 of the chapter number 9, area of parallelograms. Okay, sorry, 9.2. Okay, we already completed exercise 9.2 in the previous session. Now we are moving for the exercise 9.3 with the same concept of the triangles and parallelogram. Okay, there is a one new concept that are related to the 9.3, that are the concept of the median. Okay, so that concept I'll show you on the board. Okay, I'll show you on the board, and after we have to move for the exercise 9.3. okay, clear? So now let's start. Standard 9, area of parallelograms and triangles. Okay, so for the 9.3, it's a concept of the median. Okay, so first of all, what is the median? Median, that means median, that is divide line segment into two equal parts. Okay, median, that is that a line segment that are divided into the two equal half. Okay, two equal parts. Okay, so in the triangle, for the median we have to say that median divides triangles into two congruent parts. Okay, we have to say that median divides triangles into two congruent parts. That means I'll show you. Here is a triangle ABC is given. Okay, and AM is a median of the triangle ABC. So AM divides triangle into two congruent parts. That means we have to say that BM is equal to MC. First of all, AM is a median of the BC, therefore we have to write that BM is equal to the MC. Okay, two equal part. And we also say that triangle ABM is congruent to triangle AMC. Okay, we also say that triangle ABM that are the congruent to triangle AMC. Okay, now we know that if triangles are congruent, then we also have to write that their area will be equal. Okay, so therefore area of ABM are always equal to the area of AMC. Okay, so now if AM, that are the median, divide the triangles into two parts or two equal areas. Okay, so this is the concept of the median that are used in the 9.3. okay, so if median is given in the triangle, any kind of the triangle, so we are saying that median are divided into two triangles, and both of the triangles have same area. Okay, so let's start with the exercise 9.3. So in exercise 9.3, first question, that is, in the given figure, E is any point on median AD of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is given. AD is a median and E is any point on AD. E is any point on AD of triangle ABC. Show that area of ABE. So as per, first of all we write given AD is the median of triangle ABC. Clear that? And E is any point on AD. E is any point on AD. Clear that? Now we are move for the to prove, that is area of ABE. To prove, that is area of ABE is equal to the area of ABE is equal to the ACE. ACE, for that we have to construct ACE. Okay, clear? Area of ABE is equal to area of ACE. We need to prove that. Clear? Now let's start for the proof. In the proof, first of all, AD is a median of the triangle ABC. AD is the median of triangle ABC. So therefore, area of ABD is equal to the area of ADC. We can write this. Okay, as per the AD is a median, so we have to write that area of ABD is equal to area of ABC. Okay, now we can A is any point, so that ED is also median of the triangle. A is any point on AD, so therefore in triangle BEC, AD is also a median of triangle BEC. Okay, so therefore we have to also say that if AD is a median of triangle BEC, so therefore area of BED is equal to the area of CED. Okay, now we have to subtract equation 2 from 1. Okay, so that area of ABD, we have to subtract ABD, whole ABD and BED. ABD minus area of BED, then what kind of the figure you should to find? We have to find ABE. Okay, and equal to, here is given as ADC, so area of ADC minus area of CED. Okay, subtract equation 1 from 2 both side. Okay, so therefore ABD, from ABD we are subtracting BED, so my remaining area, that is ABE. So therefore area of ABE is equal to the area of, from the ADC whole triangle we are subtracting EDC triangle. Okay, so remaining part of the area, that is AEC. Okay, so here ABE is equal to the ACE are proved, so therefore you have to write hence proved. Clear? Please note down this first. Clear? Now we are moving for the question number 2. Question number 2 that are given as in triangle ABC, E is midpoint of median AD. Show that area of BED is equal to 1/4 of area of ABC. So first of all we have to draw the triangle ABC. A is midpoint of median AD. Here is the AD is a median and E is also midpoint of AD. So therefore BE is also median of AD. Okay. So here given that is AD is the median of triangle ABC and BE is the median of triangle ABD. Okay, so these things are given. So now we have to prove that. We need to prove that area of BED, area of triangle BED is equal to the 1/4 of area of ABC. Okay, clear? We have to prove that BED is equal to 1/4 of ABC. So for that, let's start for the proof. In the proof, first of all, AD is median of triangle ABC. Therefore, we should to write area of ABD is equal to the area of ADC. Both of the triangle have same area. Okay. Therefore, we also write that as a area of ABC is equal to area of ABD plus area of ADC, but both of them are equal. So I'll also write that area of ABD plus area of ABD. So 2 times area of ABD. Okay. So now 2 shifted to the second side. So therefore half of area of ABC is equal to the area of ABD. Clear that? And we have to give them as a equation 1. Now in triangle ABD, BE is the median of triangle ABD. Therefore, we should to write that area of, here is the 2 triangles, that is ABE and BED. Okay, AEB is equal to the BED. Clear that? AEB is equal to the BED. Okay, but we have to take as a ABD whole triangle, but area of triangle ABD is equal to the area of AEB plus area of BED. Now therefore area of ABD is equal to the area of BED plus area of BED, because of the both of them are equal. Okay, so therefore area of ABD is equal to 2 times area of BED. Clear? Now 2 shifted to second side. to divide with the ABD. So half of area of ABD is equal to area of BED. Clear that? Now we have to take this statement as equation 2 and put that value in the equation 1. Put value of equation 2 in equation 1. So therefore area of ABC, half of the area of ABC is equal to the area of ABD, but ABD that are the equal to 2 times area of BED. So therefore we have to write as half of area of ABC is equal to 2 times area of BED. Now 2, this shifted to second side to divide with the ABC. So half into another half of area of ABC is equal to area of BED. So therefore 1/4 area of ABC is equal to the area of BED. Clear that? Hence proved. Okay, clear? So now write down this first. Clear? Students, if you have any question or any query, please notify me to understand or to understand better this chapter. Okay. Please note down fast. Okay. So now we have to move for the question number 3. So question number 3, that is the show that the diagonal of the parallelogram divides into 4 triangles of equal areas. So here parallelogram is given. Okay, and diagonals of parallelogram are bisect each other, we know that. Okay, so as per the given parallelogram ABCD, okay, to prove diagonals of parallelogram divide it into 4 triangles of equal area. That means here area of triangle COD is equal to the area of triangle BOC is equal to the area of triangle AOB is equal to the area of triangle AOD. You should to prove that all the triangles that are the 4 triangles, smaller 4 triangles, all of them are equal areas. Okay, all of they are equal areas. Clear? So let's start with the proof. Now diagonals of parallelogram are bisect each other. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other at O. Therefore in triangle, first of all we have to take triangle BCD. So in triangle BCD, OC divides BD into 2 equal parts. Therefore OC is the median of triangle BCD. Therefore area of COD is equal to the area of BOC. Clear that? And give them as a equation 1. Similarly in triangle ABC, OB is the median. OB is the median of triangle ABC. Okay, so therefore we are writing that area of BOC is equal to the area of AOB. This is the second. Now in triangle, similarly in triangle BAD, OA is the median of triangle BAD. So therefore we should to write as area of AOB is equal to the area of AOD. Okay, so from equation 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, from equation 1, 2 and 3 we have said that area of COD that is equal to the BOC is equal to the AOB, and AOB that are equal to the AOD. So here all the triangles are equal areas and we are proved, so we have to write that hence proved. Clear that? Please note down this first. Clear that? Okay. Now from the question number 4, that's a easy one, but lack of the timing we are not doing that question number 4. So students, we are done with this question. Okay, so here we have completed question number 1, 2 and 3, and we are seeing question number 1, 2 and 3. If you have any query from these questions or any previous kind of the lessons or any previous kind of the chapters or any previous kind of the sums, okay, so you can notify me, and I am already answerable with you. Okay, I'm always answerable to you. Okay, so if you have any doubt or any query, please notify me. So students, I hope all of you are enjoying this class very much, and you understand all the that things in the exercise 9.3, and all the things that are the related to the area of parallelogram and triangles with the new concept that are the median of the triangles. Okay, so median of the triangles are divided that into the two equal area. Okay, so this concept we are moving for the question number 4 from the next session. Okay, so till then, goodbye and stay blessed.